So there was also questions asked about, it's all right, you said you'll have a lot of investment coming into J&K, only locally resident people are putting money, nothing is coming from abroad, or nothing is coming from rest of the country. I'll just give you how the investor-friendly J&K campaign has paid off, and in that, the government's outlay itself was 28,400 crores under the new central sector scheme for industrial development in J&K. 44,177 crores of rupees investments. Proposals have already been received. Employment potential from that is 1.80 lakhs. Land for the projects worth 14,000 crores have already been approved. And in the Kashmir division, this is for 5,000 crores, and in Jammu division, this is for 9,000 crores. So I want this to be placed here, and most of these is from people from outside of J&K. So investment is being attracted, and they are coming. There need not be questions which go without an answer. Certainly, these are the kind of figures for the answers. 10,831 crores, which is almost 10% of the total budget, is what has been spent on Home Ministry and security related, which is just 10%, and not 63 or 73% as was pointed out by many people. That's, I'd like to correct that figure, sir. Similarly, the grants under MHA, the Government of India grant under MHA to J&K is 35,581.44 crores for this forthcoming year, budget year 22-23, as against 30,757 crores in the current prevailing budget 21-22. So that is a grant which goes towards activities in J&K, and in that 15.69% increase is provided within 1 year. So that's not going for security purpose, that is actually grant given for activities in the state. So we need to differentiate between the two and then say it is all going to Home Ministry because the money is going for security. No, for security I've given you a figure, and separately the grant which goes for the state's developments.